What's up, my friends? Welcome back to College Center. It's another day for our Double Stick Challenge training series. This one is going to be a little bit of a challenge for day number 9. If you are just catching this Double Stick Challenge, go ahead and click right up here. It's going to take you to a playlist. You can go all the way back to day 1 and then follow the progression all the way up, catch up to right now, day number 9. Can't believe it already. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button if you're enjoying this training series. And remember, once you finish today's drill, come back and in the comments below, type in done. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new here to the channel and turn on post notifications by clicking that bell. Let's grab our double sticks and let's get to day number 9. It's going to be a little challenging. For day 9, we're taking a look at another Sinawali drill, but this is going to be working on all countering movements or close quarter or corto countering movements. And let's take a look at the drill here and we'll go ahead and break it down. This is a 12 count drill. When you do the full drill, we can go ahead and break down one side at a time. Just work and get one side down first. Then we can work on the other side. But we have a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, and 6. And it's 12 count because then we would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on the other side. Okay, so let's break that down real quick. Just working on the right-hand side. This one starts off in our open position just like this. Now we're going to strike our number 1, or our inside, we call it inside deflection or inside sweep. So the right stick is taking the brunt of the force of the weapon, and then our left stick comes in to assist or to check. We're going to go into the outside deflection with the right stick, and then the left stick comes in and checks. So just out of these two movements right here, let me show you from the side here. You're going to see how on the first one, my left stick is on the inside. And then on the second one, my left stick is on the outside. Okay. From there, we go into a low umbrella with the right stick. And then the left stick assists the right stick. Then number 4, we come into the high umbrella. Again, the right stick takes the brunt of the force. The left stick is assisting. Number 5 is our outside umbrella. Right stick takes the brunt of the force, and the left stick is assisting. And then number 6 is our closed cruzada. We're striking these at the same time. These could be also passing strikes or passing counters, all that. And this puts us back into the open position. So we can go ahead and just isolate the right side. We have inside deflection, number 1. Outside deflection, number 2. Low umbrella, which is number 3. High inside umbrella, number 4, a high outside umbrella, which is number 5, and then the cruzada or the passing, which is number 6. And as you can see, we're right back and we just isolate the right side. So just take some time and just work on the one side and get this down. Nice and slow here. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 right there. Let me go ahead and turn it this way, show you from the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And give you a back view as well, right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. One more time from the back view so you can follow me nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, so once we have that down on the right side, then basically all we do is flip it over and mirror it on the left side. So it'd be a left inside deflection to an outside deflection to a low umbrella to the inside high umbrella to the outside high umbrella and then to the cruzada. This time the left hand is on top right there. And just like we did with the right, go ahead and isolate the left side to get it down. And then once you have the right down, you have the left down, it's a lot easier to then go ahead and put them together. Right there. So we have our right side. Flows right into the left side. And we'll go ahead and get a couple more reps here. Nice and slow so you can see how they flow together here. And then you can always gradually pick up the speed. Right there. All right, my friend, I know that this one is a bit of a stick twister, but with perseverance, I believe that you can get this one down within the next few days before we return on Friday for our final 10th double stick challenge training drill. Remember, we are training up for those who want to take part in the Double Stick Carranza Showdown for their chance to win some free training gear and some other cool College Center prizes. I'll be doing a separate video after day 10 just to kind of explain how we're going to be working that challenge for the Carranza Showdown. So if you're interested in participating in that, make sure you get all these drills down because it's going to really help when it comes to doing your double stick freelancing, and maybe you'll have a better percentage chance of being one of the winners. All right, remember to comment done once you have accomplished this drill. Hit the thumbs up button, make sure you subscribe to the College Center channel here. And if you want to take your training further, head over to collegecenter.com and go check out our online school. You can enroll today. We got lots of double stick training inside over there. Or you could also check out my DVD downloads, which you could also access over at collegecenter.com as well. I'll see you guys back here Friday for our next drill.